This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, the popular messaging platform, I'm right here on the main download page. You can find it at whatsapp.com/download. So straightforward URL, but I'll put that URL as a link in the video description, so you can just click on that link below this video and you will find yourself on this page. Now, it will correctly identify what operating system you have. It should do it anyway. It has correctly identified that I, in fact, have a Mac. So there are other download options, of course. If it doesn't identify, if you're with Windows and it doesn't identify that you're on Windows, then you'll find the Windows version here. There's also Android, iOS, etc, etc. You can see all the different versions right there, but the point is it should know which operating system you have. But you do have other options, obviously, if you want to come to this page and download it for a different operating system for whatever reason. So all that's left to do is we click this green download button, this big green download button at the top. That will then redirect, and you see the icon went flying up there in the right hand corner, which is the universal symbol that something has been downloaded on the Mac. Now, depending on the browser that you have, your downloads location might be different to mine. Depends on your configuration and setup of the downloads location on your browser. Now, as an example, I have Google Chrome on this Mac, and it goes directly to my main downloads folder. Your downloads location might be slightly different to mine. You will find the installer there. That's the easy, straightforward bit. You'll just install and follow the instructions from there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download WhatsApp for any platform useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.